Hey, hi everyone. I'm happy to announce our upcoming live session where we are going to learn about how we can build AI and ML application. When I say, okay, we are going to learn about how we build a application. So basically this will be a end-to-end application where we are going to build machine learning model from the scratch, and then we are going to create our endpoint so that we can consume those model or whatever the uh, strategy we have developed in the front end actually. So at the end, what you will get basically, let's say if you attend this session, so we can build this application together. So let's say you are working in Geo and you're going to build one customer analytics application. So we all know like what is the customer analytics. Okay, let's say if you're working in the marketing team and if you want to do some promotion, so we cannot do promotion randomly, okay? Or if we want to give some offer to the customer, okay, we cannot do it randomly. Like we will decide or whatever decision we will take based on data. Okay, so for that one, let's say if you have data, if you have lot of data, we can use machine learning algorithm or deep learning algorithm or whatever strategy you find like, okay, this is better for you. We can build the solution. So in this session, what we are going to learn, we are going to build this machine learning model from the scratch. We're going to build a segmentation model. Basically we're going to learn about clustering algorithms. Okay, so based on that we can create different segment. You can take you can see one example over here. So this segmentation will help marketing team to do like they definitely this will help you. Like for an example, if you have a particular product, let's say one product with price of 40,000, okay, and let's say this is like uh, high value customer. So in this, what you'll do, you'll do promotion in this particular segment. You are not going to spend your time in this particular segment or this segment. So this kind of things we can achieve if we can build customer segmentation model. Similarly, for the churn prediction model, we can understand how loyal our customer are. Okay, how many high value customer you have. This can help you. And also, like if you do some offer optimization, that also we can achieve. Okay, so if I'll again come to our discussion, like what we are going to learn in this session. In this session, we are going to learn how we can build this machine learning model, like customer segmentation model, chain prediction model, offer optimization model, how we can build it. And then we are going to learn how we can create endpoint. Okay. So basically, we are going to use fast API to create our REST endpoint so that we can consume this model in front end. So this will be like your back end. Okay, you're going to develop your entire application. And we know that if you want to uh, fast if you want to make your development faster, uh, then you have to definitely use CI/CD activity. Basically, like we are going to use GitHub action. Using that, we are going to trigger this CI/CD pipeline. So whenever you will develop any new feature, it will integrate in your main branch, and we will deploy those application. Okay, so that we'll also going to do it. And let's say if you okay, let's say if you are okay with this thing, like we completed this part, then what we'll do next, we're going to learn about uh, then how we can set up our front end, because ultimately we are going to consume those endpoint in our application in our front end. Okay, so basically here we are going to learn very basics, not very in depth, basics like how front end application work. So basically we are going to explore about ReactJS framework. We'll learn some very basic of ReactJS application, like how we can set up, how we can add component, how we can run the ReactJS application, or the basic stuff. And at the end, let's say you set up your front end application. Now you are able to call your API. So when I say API, basically you're calling your model and your application is working. The next step will be what? We are going to deploy your application in cloud. Yeah, like I will take one example of Azure or AWS, and you can replicate for other cloud provider also. The next question will be like, when we are going to conduct this session. So very first session will be on 23rd November, and then we are going to conduct next on 24th. As I mentioned that this is not one session. Okay, there will be multiple session, and each session will be of 2 hours or 3 hours depending on the content. And we will continue the session till 1st of December. And each session will happen at 8 p.m. IST. Okay, so let's say if for any of the reason if you are not available at this particular time, so you'll also get recording on our YouTube channel or maybe on website. The next question will be like how you can register or how you can join this class. It's very simple. Just go to the description of this particular video. You'll get one link. Just go to the website and just register it. And now you are ready to attend the session. You'll get notification whenever we'll start the session. And if you talk about fees, there is no fees. This is just a free session. Okay, anyone can attend and anyone can learn it. So hope you are excited to learn. Hope this will help or this will add some value to your learning. And at least for me, like it's very exciting because I'm going to explore a lot of things about customer analytics. I'm going to implement a lot of things about the customer analytics, like how we can build customer segmentation model and all the stuffs. So let's meet in the session and then let's learn and let's grow. Thank you.